Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the mirror, the glass clearer guys. Here we go guys. I'm using toothpaste to clean this. And let's see the before and after guys. Alright. Toothpaste. Doing this once in a while guys, you're gonna have a long lasting glass. Okay. We can see the before and after guys. Alright, let's see. Ta-da! Ta-da! Isn't it? Look at the before and after. Okay. Alright guys. To the other side guys. More toothpaste. This is my leftover from my toothpaste guys, and I'm about to throw it away, but I'm using it guys for other use instead of throwing it. A circle stroke, or do it this way. Doing the circle motion is better guys. Alright, let's do it. Alright, look at that. Alright, and let's gonna do all the other side guys. Alright. Okay. There we go. It clears out everything guys. Whee! Clean. Nice. See how clean that is? Looks new. Perfect. Thank you for watching guys. you can this one guys, glass and chrome